I'm sitting down here, but hey, you can't see me. From a distance, I've got to pay the price. Defending all against it, I really don't know why. You're obsessed with all my secrets, you always make me cry. You seem to wanna hurt me, no matter what I do. I'm telling just a couple, but somehow it gets to you. But I've learned to get revenge, and I swear you'll experience that someday. I'm sitting down here, but hey, you can't see me. Kinda invisible, you don't sense my state. Not really hiding out like a shadow. Just thought I would join you for one day. I'm sitting down here, but hey, you can't see me. I'm not trying to avoid you, just don't wanna hear your voice. When you call me up so often, I don't really have a choice. You're talking like you know me and wanna be my friend, but that's really too late now, I won't try it once again. You may think that I'm a loser, but I don't really care. May think that it's forgotten, but you should be aware. Cause I've learned to get revenge, and I swear you'll